Good morning, Adam. What are you doing here?
I'm brushing my teeth. I'm cleaning my face. I'm combing my hair. Look, here's my uniform. I've got to go to school. Bye. Hi, Dad.
Hello, children. Adam looks so smart and happy. Do you know why?
I'm in a hurry.
Let's find out.
Bye. Have a good day. Bye.
Yoo-hoo! Hello, children. How are you? I'm Furby. This is my house. I live here. And here's a picture. Oops. Here's a picture of my family. I love my family very much. Oh, here comes Adam. Hi.
Hi.
Good morning, Adam.
Good morning, Furby.
Adam, you look really happy.
Yes, I'm very happy. I'm going to have a baby sister soon.
Oh, really? So you're going to be a brother.
Yes, I'm going to be a brother. I'm going to play with my sister. Have you got a sister?
Yes, I have a younger sister. Here, have a look. This is my sister. Isn't she lovely? But she doesn't live here. I miss her a lot.
I think my sister's going to be sweet and lovely too. I've got to go. Bye.
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 Bye-bye, Adam. Hey, children, this is my happy family. Have you got a happy family? Who are the people in your family? Huh?
Who are the people in your family? In your family, in your family. Who are the people in your family? The people that love you most. My father works hard for me. My father drives me home from school. My father paints my room in blue. My father loves me most. My mother cooks me noodles. My mother reads me stories. My mother sings sweet lullabies. My mother loves me most. My brother plays ball games with me. My sister does homework with me. My brother and sister love me. They all love me most. These are the people in my family. In my family. In my family. My father, my mother, my brother and sister are the people that I love most.
Wow! That's great! Wow! Hey! Can you guess what I've got here? It's a letter from my sister. She says she's coming home soon. Isn't that wonderful? It's really great. Oh, look. Here comes Adam. What's wrong? You don't look happy. How's your little sister?
I don't like my sister. I like to play with her.
Why?
My sister always cries. My mother doesn't love me anymore.
All mothers love their children, Adam.
But my mother and father don't love me anymore. They only play with my sister. I don't like my family.
Hey, Adam. We all love our family. Let me tell you a story. Long, long time ago, there was a little brown bear. One day he walked into the woods. He was very angry. I don't like my father and mother. They love only my little sister. They don't love me. I don't want to live with them. Hello, Mr. Monkey. Can I stay with you tonight? I don't want to stay at home. Can I stay with you, please?
No way! It's my brother's birthday today. We're having a party. Go ask Hippo Mother. Whoa! Yow! Wee!
So the bear went sadly to the river and saw Hippo Mother. Hello, Hippo Mother. Can I stay with you tonight?
Stay with me? Of course not. You should stay with your family.
But I don't like my family. My father and mother only love my sister. They don't love me.
You silly little bear. All mothers love their children. I love my children so much. I've got to go. Bye-bye.
Wait, Hippo Mother. Can I stay with you tonight? I'm so cold and hungry. Where am I going to stay tonight? Oh, Mommy! Oh, Mommy! Where are you? Huh?
Oh, my dear son, where have you been? I'm so scared that I may not see you again.
I'm sorry, Mommy. I thought you didn't love me anymore.
Why, you silly son. Of course we love you.
I'm sorry, Mommy, Daddy. I won't do that again. Hey, children, do you know where Little Bear stayed that night?
Of course. He stayed with his family.
Yes, we all love our family. I think your mother and father are just too busy. They have to look after your baby sister. They haven't got time for you. Why don't you help your parents look after your sister?
But what can I do?
Hey, children, can you help Adam? What can Adam do to help his parents?
Hello, Adam. You look very busy. What are you doing in the kitchen?
I'm washing my sister's milk bottles. I'm cleaning my sister's room. I'm making my sister's bed. I'm cleaning my own room.
Adam, why are you doing all these things?
I'm helping my mother because I'm a big brother now.
Hello, Phoebe. You look very happy.
Why, yes, I'm very happy. Guess what? My sister is coming back tomorrow. I'm cleaning up my house to welcome her. I can't wait to see her. Hello, Adam. Is this your baby sister?
Yes, this is my sister, Lara. Isn't she lovely?
Oh, what a lovely baby girl.
Thank you, Phoebe.
And Adam, you look really smart.
Oh, yes, Adam is really smart. And he helps me with the baby, too.
Oh, really? Adam really is a good and smart brother. Coochie, 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 coo.
I'm Adam. This is my family.
I'm Adam's father.
I'm Adam's mother. And this is Adam's sister.
I'm Adam. This is Adam's family.
Thank you, Adam. Are you all ready for a family photograph?
Yes.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, say cheese.
Cheese.
Hello, children. This is Adam's family. How about your family? Who are the people in your family?